In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly use images in your HubSpot content, making your emails more engaging and visually appealing. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open HubSpot. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can't make any changes without being properly logged in. Once you're inside, the first destination on our journey is the trial guide. This section is your powerhouse of resources, where you'll find everything you need to kick off your form building process. It's the go-to place before you actually roll up your sleeves and start working on content. Now, when you're back on your homepage, your next stop is the marketing section. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but for today's lesson, we're going to focus on email. After selecting email, you'll notice you have the choice to either create a new email or select one that already exists. If you're choosing an existing email, don't forget to hit the edit button. This will open up a world of customization where you can really let your creativity flow. In this editable space, you'll find all the tools you need to tweak your email precisely to your taste. One of the most exciting features here is the ability to add images. On the left-hand side of your screen, there's an Add button for elements. Click it, and you'll see various options to enhance your email content. To add an image, all you need to do is drag your chosen image and drop it onto your page. It's simple and straightforward, requiring just a few clicks. Once your image spot is in place, go ahead and click Select Image. This is where you get to choose the perfect picture to complement your email. Feel free to upload any image you prefer, something that aligns with your brand identity or that complements the message you're conveying. Remember, the images you use in your emails can significantly impact how recipients engage with your content, so choose wisely. And there you have it, a foolproof guide to adding images to your HubSpot content. With these steps, your emails will not only convey the intended message, but also captivate your audience's attention with beautiful visuals. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different images and layouts. Happy emailing, and see you in the next video.